It goes to my daughter for holding the camera. She's done a beautiful job. Beautiful. Beautiful. It's your boy Mista Multi, and today we're making some steak. Alright, the Jamaican way. Alright, don't forget it. You see me? All-purpose seasoning made by me. Alright, you see, all-purpose blend, everything in one. You can't make stew chicken with this. You can't put it on steak. You can't put it on crab leg. You can't put it on chicken. You can't put it on pork. Anything. Alright, anyway, we even have jerk blend. Aye, stew blend. Alright, curry blend. Jesus Christ. All the jerk sauce. Wicked, you know. Alright. Quick sauce on it sauce there. Quick that. Right. Alright. So, today, look. The steak already halfway seasoned because the camera kind of cut off on me still. But enough more videos is coming. Don't worry about that. Right now, we preheat the oven to 350. And that is when you sear your steak on the frying pan and a cast iron pan or whatever you have for about 4 minutes on each side, right? Then you put some butter in it. Put some butter. You put a little bit of thyme in it, and you put a little bit of minced garlic in there. Mix it around and baste it a little bit, and then put in the oven from 8 to 10 minutes, depending how you like your steak. I like mine a little medium well. Like I said, the camera did cut out for me, so I kind of season it and the camera go out. But all I used was this. Very good. And that's all I need. You just put a good, nice little coating on it. And make sure people don't wash your hand. Alright. Don't want no dirty on your food. Cool, calm and collect. Alright. Nice and seasoned up. See that? Everywhere. Nice and seasoned. Cool now? Alright. Alright. See product here. Yeah, good. I give you a good lineup of the product right here, right here, right here, right now. This is coming out very soon. Can make anything you want with that. Anything. All purpose. Right there, sir. Alright, so like I said, you know, and then you put a little bit of time in it. And we'll go and turn on the stove and go right by the stove and see what I go on. Alright, so I have on my fire pan high. I'm going to make this heat up. Just put your hand over it, but don't touch it. See me? And this is almost ready to 350. And then as this get hot and you see the smoke come off it, and drop a little bit of oil in it. And drop in the steak and make sure it's nice and even. Alright? So we'll come back in about 30 seconds. I'll go and grab the steak and come right. Alright people. We done put a tablespoon of little vegetable oil in there. Now we're going to put the steak in there and get it ready. So, nice and even. And don't touch the steak now. Make it go on. Don't touch it. Make it go on and cook. And then we'll flip it over in about 3 to 4 minutes. Alright guys, it's been about 5 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and flip the steak now. See how it looks on this side. Beautiful. All that flavor in trap, right? So that's all flavor. Alright? Good flavor right now. I'm going to make this just sit down and make sure it's nice and even. Let's make that go and cook. The same amount of time, 4 to 5 minutes. It's a very thick steak. And then if you just tilt it a little bit, make little bit of oil get in there. And that's it. Just play with the pot a little bit, tilt it up a little bit. That's it. Alright. We'll be back in 4 to 5 minutes. We're going to get the sides. We're going to get everywhere. Just brown it up a little bit and put it in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. The oven is waiting on us now. Alright. Alright guys, the steak has been on for a total of about 10 minutes. So right now you see the steak is looking nice and tender and juicy. So we're going to transfer it over to this pan because I like to base my steak in this pan here. Then back over here, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter right in there. I left my fridge open. That's okay. Go on, let that melt. A little bit of thyme, just for flavor. I'll put that right to the side. And a little bit of minced garlic right there. That's enough. Nothing more than that. Now, you just base the steak. Alright, you just take the flavor and just base it. Let's get that in there. Let that go on and do its thing. Let's let that do its thing right there. Let's base it. That's it. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. That's it. That's it. Beautiful. That's all you need right there. Alright. Now I'm going to put this in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. See how beautiful that steak look? Let's scrape off some of this. They can't see. Taste delicious. Very delicious. Boom. That's ready. In the oven. Right there. Guys, as you can see, the steak is very delicious and tender. Look on that. Nice and soft. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead. One more tip. When you're making your steak, make sure that you let the steak come to temperature before you start to cook it. And alright, like I said, it's been in the oven for about 10 minutes. And I'm going to cut it right now. And then when it come out of the oven, you want it to sit down and rest. Let the steak rest so all the juice can stay right in between. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and cut it. Hot. Alright. Don't cut them too thin. Nice little angle. All that juice coming out. Beautiful. Beautiful. Nice little bit of pink in there. Alright, now let's go. We're gonna go carry it. Beautiful. We got the steak with rice. I have a little piece of rump here. And then we're gonna wash it down with some dragon salt right there. Alright? A little bit of flavor you have. So you put on the top of your steak and sear it down a little bit more. Alright? Take the rest of the flavor that you got and you keep it on there. Beautifully done. Credit goes to my daughter for holding the camera. She's done a beautiful job. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, so thanks for watching the video, and if you haven't already, subscribe please. A lot of content will be coming, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the link at the bottom and please subscribe for more videos. The content will get better, the videoing will get better, but wanna give me a chance now, man. I want to build my thing. Alright, love and support. One love, hear me? Out of here. Have a blessed day and happy new year. First video for the year. Alright? Cool.